What's up, fans? So some people commented that how do I get the backfire while driving. So you gotta have it in sport. Once you hit, like, when you rev up, when you're like speeding up, sorry about that, when you come to like 30 or even like 25, 30 or even 35, but mostly when it's like 28 and 30, and you gotta make sure your RPM actually stays up and doesn't just drop down. So when you slowly rev up, you will see your RPM will stay up and not just drop. And then once it's at that speed right there, then you have to slightly, at the bottom right there, you just slightly tap it. You press a little bit and you just kind of like tap it like that. Yeah, it takes practice a few times, so you'll get it. Once you do it, you'll understand when you did it. So it's like a quick tap, like that. That's it. A quick tap. Don't make it too long. That's all. So yeah, let's do it. I'll put the windows down a little bit for you guys, even though it's really cold. Just for the video. Most of you have the same car and want to do it too, so there you do it. There you go. Yeah, so let's go do it. I'm gonna rev up to you will see the RPM stay up too. I just tapped a little bit. That's how you do it. It's that easy. And sometimes if you just kind of rev up, you know, when you're cruising at 20 and you rev up to like 30, 35, 40, and you let go of the gas and it will pop by itself. When you go on a long drive, the car's all like heated up, the exhaust is heated up. Then when you're braking and everything like that, then it will automatically do backfiring. But it's pretty fun.